Good evening, my friends, my supporters, followers. Um, I'm I'm emotional because my dream is to own a house, and now I fulfill it. And thank you for all my supporters, those who shares my videos, react and comments. And this is my house. I bought it 5 million pesos yesterday, and I cannot fulfill it without you, my friends. Thank you for all the supports. And this is the owner. This is the owner, and not me.